Is your department ordering reams of paper, buying messy toner, purchasing dozens of printers for staff and faculty, or spending tons of money leasing printers and copiers? Did you know the Office of Information Technology provides printers, toner, paper, maintenance, and support for department printing? And all for a monthly fee based only on the amount of paper printed per month. We'll give you a multifunction HP color printer that scans and makes copies, install it in your department, and we take care of the paper, toner, maintenance, and support. And you can print from your desktop computer or laptop to your department printer, or to any of the dozens of Bronco Print stations throughout campus. To request our department print service and support package, contact the help desk at 208-426-4357 or helpdesk@boisestate.edu.